Okay, so you guess a baseball fidget, a shirt fidget, a dog fidget, and a burger fidget. So let's see if I have that. First up, the baseball I have right here. And then you say a shirt, which I think is right here. And then a dog. I don't think I have any dog fidgets except a dog mochi. But I would have to find it. Do I have any other type of dog? I don't think so. Here's a dog, a blue dog right here. And then you have a burger, which I actually just got yesterday. It is right here. So, looks like I win this round, but you can always guess again.